In Section 9 of CCIE Voice Mock Lab, voicemail integration, you are required to integrate the Unity connection with the call manager. You need to make sure that the MWI functionality for Unity connection as well as Unity Express works properly. Once you have tested, make sure the MWI is cleared. Now, the integration with the Unity connection and the call manager is already pre-configured with some of these values. Now, although it says that it's been pre-configured with these values, it is always a good idea to double check them. So what do you want to do under voicemail? Make sure the pilot number is configured. Quick check just to make sure. Make sure the profile is added. So for example, the default profile should have the pilot number 2222, the necessary calling source space. The reason why you want to take a little bit time right now so that you don't get into a problem that may be caused due to misconfigured values. MWI, for example, should also have a calling source space, and so on. Once this part is done, click on the voicemail port, make sure they're registered. Now in this case, if they should be registered, and if you press the pilot, either the extension number of the voicemail port or the pilot number, you should hear the Unity connection. So that should be your first clue that whether it's working or not. If in case some reason the status is unknown, check this name right here, Cisco UM1-VI. Log into Unity connection, go to the telephone integration section, click on port group, and click on this phone system that you have. Make sure this name also match that. Now there's no reason for them to do this, but they may misconfigure it so that to test your knowledge about troubleshooting. MWI number should also be configured properly. One other thing you want to do from your phone is dial this MWI number on and off to see if the light's working. If you do press the number, MWI number from the phone before you even do anything, you'll notice that MWI light on the phone will lit up, although you're not able to see it right here. But if you look at right beside the extension, it tells you that envelope. That means there is MWI notification. Even if this mailbox doesn't exist at this moment, you want to make sure that that number is working. So if I dial 1999, which is my MWI off number, if you notice based on this information, you should see that envelope disappear. Okay, so as you notice, the envelope is no longer